All right, in this video, guys, we're going to have a look at the Zoho CRM mobile application. So I've recorded this video using my Android device. So there are some differences between Android and iOS, mainly around kind of offline capability and the way that the call integration works, but largely the core app functionality is the same across both Android and iOS. So check out the video and you'll be able to see the app in action. Thanks for watching.
Okay, we're looking at the Zoho CRM mobile app within an Android phone. There's been a few changes to this over the past kind of 6 months or so, so it's worth taking a look if you haven't already. When you install the app, you're going to be taken to a calendar page. You've got the main menu down the bottom here with the common areas. The calendar reflects those meetings that you have in your Zoho CRM calendar, along with tasks as well. We can see those tasks appearing there on my calendar, and any scheduled calls as well. Of course, you can create new tasks, new meetings, new calls directly from your mobile device. The home screen is going to return the dashboards that you have loaded in your Zoho CRM, and for the most part, most of the widgets and charts will be supported. Not all of them are, but the common visualizations and lists that you have set up in your CRM will reflect automatically in the mobile app. So then across the bottom are the modules, or the most recently visited modules. So I can see here I've got a list of leads in my system. I've got a list of accounts. Now under the More button here, I'm presented with the full menu, and this is a reflection of what you see inside of Zoho CRM. So I can see here I've got my team space, I've got my ability to search modules here. I can bring down my other modules as grouped by my main menu. So I can see here under sales and activities. So if I wanted to bring up accounts, I can do that. And here I have a list of accounts as per my CRM. All of your views that you have set up within Zoho CRM are accessible here. So my accounts, new accounts, or any custom views that you have are going to be visible there. If I click into one of those accounts, you can see the details here. I can see that I've got deals and updated the status there, relevant contacts, tasks that are available there as well. So a couple of features when you're looking at a record inside of the mobile app is the ability to record both notes and both from a voice to text or an audio message. So I'll just record the voice to text. Make sure it's allowing permission to do so. You can see that a voice to text note is recorded. And then I can edit that if I need to, or I can just save that in my system. And you can see that's recorded. As you saw under there, you've also got the ability to record a voice note as well. So an audio note if you wanted to just dictate something and capture that as a note. You've got the ability to create contacts and add attachments and calls and all of the normal functionality here. In fact, all modules, including custom modules, are accessible via the mobile app. Under the details area here, I'm looking at the specific fields, and I can make changes to those fields, change data within the particular record, update the address. All of these sorts of things are visible and editable within the mobile application. You've also got a map view. Here it's kind of loading for me just any accounts that are kind of within 10 kilometers of my actual location. I'm here at our office in Adelaide, and I can see that there is an example, an account not far down the road from me here. If we had many different accounts, that would all be displayed here. You could do this for deals, you could do this for leads as well. I can change the radius that I want to look at that. If I wanted to extend that out into a wider radius, I can as well. So that can be a great way to sort of see if something's around you, or if you're at a specific location, you want to see if there's any customers or opportunities nearby. I can easily access them in that particular way. Reports that I have access to in the CRM through my mobile application. and all of the drill down functionality works. So there's a lot of functionality that extends quite beyond the normal CRM functionality right into the mobile app, and you can use that to manage all of your day-to-day activity plus general account management and record management using the mobile application. It's worth looking at a few of the settings here as well. So we can enable things like call logging, caller ID. You can have the application detect when an inbound call is coming to your mobile device and ask you to automatically log those calls as well. So you've got quite a few options there, whether you want to be able to enable notifications and what settings related to privacy, etc. So there's lots of options in there that you can change and resync. It does support an offline capability, so it does download an offline set of data, and then when you open the app, it resyncs that as well. So if you do drop out of Signal but you have recently refreshed your application, you will still be able to access the data, and then when you come back in range, you can re-update that. Definitely a feature of the Android application there. So hopefully that was useful. That is the Zoho CRM mobile application.